Welcome back, folks, to the DUI channel. We are in Fernandina Beach, Florida, where on January 14th, 2020 at 12:24 a.m., a Fernandina Beach police officer observed a black truck traveling west on Sadler Road at 49 miles per hour in a 35 mile per hour zone. The officer caught up to the vehicle and pulled the driver over at Flash Foods on South 8th Street. The officer approached the truck as his investigation begins.
Hey, put this window down, man. It's too dark. Can't see in it. Pretty sure your tent's illegal right there, bud. The reason I got you stopped, the speed limit on Sadler here is 35. I had you on the stationary radar at 49 when you came by me. I was sitting on the side of the road. Is there any reason for your speed tonight?
I'm just trying to get to McDonald's and I'm gonna go home.
Been drinking tonight?
I had a beer when I got off work. I work at...
Okay, you smell pretty strongly of alcohol. That's why I'm asking you. Just one beer?
Just one beer. I work at Bartender.
Okay. And you live on?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, please stay in the vehicle for me. Hey, Mr. Step out of the vehicle for me, please. All right, step right back here to the back of your truck for me. Do you have any weapons on you at all? Any knives or anything? Mind if I check for my safety?
Yeah.
I can check. It's okay. All right. Yeah. Thank you. All right, you can relax, man. I'm gonna turn these lights off so they're not flashing in your eyes. Okay, once again, I'm Officer Page, Fernandina Beach Police Department. This time, I'm conducting a DUI investigation. All right. You're not under arrest at this time, but I do have to advise you of your rights, okay? Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, to have him or her with you during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you for any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering anytime. You also have the right to stop answering anytime until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand your rights, sir?
I do.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today throughout the day?
I got off work at 7 or 8 and had a beer at the Turtle. And then went home and got my dog from Hot Paws. Dropped him off. Had another beer at Sandbar. And then heading home now. Watched the first half of the game.
Where were you coming from just now?
Sandbar.
The Sandbar?
Yeah.
They were open this late?
They opened a little bit later for just the game.
Okay. You said you watched the first half of the game and then left?
Yeah. Well, I was watching the first half of the game and then I stopped drinking because I know I had driving.
Okay. So you've had, with that being said, you've had only 2 beers throughout the day today?
Pretty much, yeah.
What do you mean pretty much? It's either yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah? 2 beers. What kind of beers were they? Sorry, to wear them or?
Do you want me to wear them?
No, I'm just, are you required to wear them when you drive?
My right eye is pretty bad.
What, like distance or up close or what?
Up close.
Up close? Okay. But no other issues with your eyes? Okay. I just need you to stand right here with your feet together side by side like this. Touching side, there you go, hands down at your sides. I'm just gonna check your eyes real quick. Okay, see right here where this is lit like an orange color?
Yeah.
I want you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only and do not move your head. You understand? Okay. You still see it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go up and down now, okay? Just follow that light. All right, keep following the light. I'm gonna go around circles, like around your face. I'm gonna bring it in towards the bridge of your nose. I'm not gonna touch your nose with it, but just follow the light all the way in, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, one more time. Okay. Were you able to cross your eyes growing up as a kid? Some people can, some people can't. See if you can look at your nose with both your eyes right now. Okay, all right.
That's how we do.
Okay, that's fine. All right, the next exercise we're going to do is the walk and turn. For that, we need a line. I got some tape in my truck. I'm going to get out for a line. Let's do about right over there where it's level at. Just stand right there for me. Hold on to this tape for me, nice and tight. I'm going to roll it out. This is the line we're going to use to do the walk and turn exercise. I'm going straight this way. Yeah. All right, now either go one knee, bend over, however you want to do it. Just put that tape straight down the ground for me. Yep. That'll work.
I do have a broken toe, just to let you know.
You have a broken toe?
I mean,
When did that happen?
last Friday.
Okay. Okay.
I think I'll be alright.
Do you think it's going to hinder you in this? I mean, have you seen a doctor for it?
I haven't, just because everybody has told me.
So you don't know if it's broken for a fact or not? I mean, it looks bad.
I don't know. Yeah, that was last Friday.
Last Friday, and you're a bartender, and you're on your feet a lot?
Everybody's told me don't go see a doctor.
But I mean, you're able to work okay on your feet, right? Yeah. Okay, all right, just making sure. Okay, so the flip-flops, though, do you want to take those off again? Also, do you want your glasses for this?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, just listen to my instructions. If you have any questions, ask me, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, put your left foot on the line. Put your right foot ahead of your left foot with the heel of your right foot touching the toes of your left. I need your hands down at your sides, just like this. Try to stay in that position. If you get out of it, just get right back into it. Do you understand? Not now, but when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, looking down at your feet and counting each step out loud. Then you're going to turn around the way I show you how to in just a moment and return back down the line 9 heel-to-toe steps, okay?
Right.
You understand so far?
Yeah.
If you need to repeat or say or do the instructions.
9 steps.
Yes, sir. Heel to toe. That means your heel should be touching your toe on each step, right? You understand? Okay, so here's how it's going to go. Your left foot is on the line. Your right foot is ahead of your left. Your first step will be your left foot coming forward. 1, 2, 3, and all the way to number 9. Okay? If you count correctly and you end up on your 9th step, that should be your front foot. Okay? Leave your front foot on the line. Take your back foot off the line, make a series of small little steps with your back foot to turn yourself around, and then go 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line. You understand the instructions? Okay. You'll put your foot back in front of the other one. Once you start walking, do not stop until you complete the exercise. Any questions?
No.
All right, you may begin whenever you're ready, sir. Miss heel-to-toe. 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 If that was 9, turn around, yes sir. Improper turn, spun around. Miss heel-to-toe. Touch heel-to-toe. Miss heel-to-toe. Miss heel-to-toe. Miss heel-to-toe. Miss heel-to-toe. Miss heel-to-toe. Touch heel-to-toe. Miss heel-to-toe. Okay? All right. Now if you would, come stand about right there for me. The next one we're going to do is called the one-leg stand. Because of your toe, I mean, whatever foot you decide to do this on. Anyway, just stand on your feet together like this and your hands down at your sides for right now. Don't do anything. When I tell you to begin, you're going to raise one foot up, keeping both your legs straight. That elevated foot parallel to the ground, not pointed up or down, but foot elevated to the ground, about 6 inches off the ground, which is about the height of a Coke can. Hands down at your sides, look down at your elevated foot and count loud like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and so on until you're told to stop. Okay, try not to hop or sway. If any point during this your foot comes down, lift it back up and continue your count. Don't start over.
Doesn't matter what, right or left foot?
Whichever one you want to do. With your toe,
Yeah,
that's up to you, okay? Which foot are you going to raise, bud?
I'm going to raise my right one.
You're going to raise the right, so the left's going to stay on the ground then, right? All right, give me just 1 second here.
What do I count to?
Just count until you're told to stop. It's a 30-second timed exercise, okay? All right, whenever you're ready, you may begin, sir.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007.
Foot down.
2008,
Sway.
2009,
Sway.
2010,
Foot down.
2011, 2012,
Arms.
2013.
Foot down.
Sorry, 2014, 2015, 2016.
Foot down, sway. Arm.
2017, 2018, 2019, 2020,
Sway.
2021, 22, and 20.
Foot down. Stop. All right, you can stop. That's 30 seconds. Okay. What's your highest level of education?
High school.
You graduate high school?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know your alphabet A through Z?
I do.
You can count to 30, obviously. All right, here's all I want you to do. It's simple. It doesn't require any movement at all. Feet together, hands down at your sides. Not now, but when I tell you to, I want you to tilt your head back, close your eyes. I want you to estimate the passage of 30 seconds. When you think it's been 30 seconds, bring your head forward, open your eyes, and tell me to stop. Simple enough?
Just count 30 in my head.
Estimate 30 seconds in your head. However, if you want to count your head or whatever, okay? All right, hang on 1 second. All right, go ahead and tilt your head back. I need your feet together, bud. Feet together. Tilt your head back, close your eyes. Feet together, bud. And you may begin.
Stop.
Okay, 26 seconds. All right, let's try the, you know the alphabet, A through Z, right?
Yes, sir.
So same thing. In just a moment, I'm going to have you tilt your head back and close with your feet together, your hands down your sides. I'm going to recite the alphabet A through Z in a non-rhythmic manner. When I say non-rhythmic, don't say it like the song.
Singing.
Yeah, it's like, I compare it to like a robot, like this. A,
B,
B, C. Don't rhyme it
Okay.
or run it together. Does that make sense? All right, good. Feet together, touching, like this. All right, tilt your head back, close your eyes, recite the alphabet A through Z for me. Hang on 1 second. Is that as far back as your head can go? There you go. That's better.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, you just rhymed that whole thing like the song.
That's the only way anybody knows how to do it.
All right, fair enough. But you rhymed it. Okay. All right. Okay.
Well, let's get
Finger in the nose. Okay. For this, I need your hands down like this with your index fingers pointed down, feet together. Not now. When I tell you to do so, tilt your eye and close your eyes. I mean, you're going to say right or left. If I say right, bring your tip of your index finger up, touch the tip of your nose, and bring your hand back down as soon as you touch your nose. Same with the left. Tip of the index finger, tip of the nose, bring your hand back down. That's the tip of your finger. Not there, that's the pad. Not there, that's the side. And that is the tip of your nose, correct? Okay. Tilt your head back, close your eyes. Ready? Left. All right, bring your hand down as soon as you touch your nose, okay?
Sorry.
Right. First, under nose. Left. Right. Right. Left. Okay. All right, put your flip-flops back on. So how much have you really had to drink today?
I'm telling you, like 4 beers.
So now it's 4.
Like,
Because originally it was 2.
when I got off, and 2 at
So now it's
Sandbar.
4. What is it really? Because we've changed numbers already, and your eyes are telling me you've had a lot more than that. So you're going to be honest with
I'm
me?
gonna have 2 beers, 4 beers and 1 shot.
How long ago did you have your last drink?
Probably an hour.
An hour? What was that?
Third quarter of the game.
What was it?
A Bud Light.
How long ago did you have the shot?
Halftime. And I started
Halftime?
playing golden tea.
When was the last time you
Sandbar.
ate any food?
I got off work at 6 o'clock and had a Cuban sandwich.
What time do you think it is right now?
Midnight-ish.
It's 1:45.
Yeah.
Okay. You've had too much to drink to be driving. You're impaired. You can't be driving. Okay? So you got to come with me. You're under arrest for DUI. I'll tell you what, you're not going to try and hurt me or anything like that, right?
No.
Here, come have a seat in my truck. I'll put the cuffs up front.
Bartender at...
I know. Have you had one of these before?
I have
You have? How long ago was it?
8 years.
8? Okay. So you know the process then, right?
I know.
Okay. All right, I got to put you in cuffs, but you're being cool, so
Yeah,
we'll put them up front, okay?
The suspect was charged with DUI in Gainesville, Florida on March 12, 2012, but was not convicted.
You have anything in your mouth at all, dude?
No.
Your mouth is dry?
It's just dry.
Dry? Okay. All right, just hang out right there. Watch your foot. I don't want to get it with this door.
No, you're good.
Okay.
Following the arrest, the suspect, Nicolaus, was arrested for driving under the influence or DUI and transported to the Fernandina Beach Police Department headquarters for processing, whereupon he refused to submit a breath alcohol sample. In court, the defendant pled nolo contendere or no contest and was adjudicated guilty on March 30th, 2021. He was ordered to pay a total assessment value of $1,456. This amount has been paid in full. He was sentenced to 1 day in jail, which was credited time served, probation for 12 months, a 6-month license suspension, and 50 hours of community service. He was further ordered to attend DUI School Level 2, complete an alcohol evaluation, referral treatment, and attend a victim impact panel. With all conditions satisfied, on October 15, 2021, Nicolaus was granted early termination on probation after 6 months and 15 days.